AssetVista unlocks the hidden potential in thousands of mine assets, making information accessible to the maintenance staff and reducing unplanned shutdowns by identifying failures before they occur. More than just another software application, AssetVista is a holistic service package that will optimize your maintenance activities. It lowers operational costs by reducing unnecessary maintenance and matches your activities with the actual condition of your assets. With AssetVista, you increase predictive maintenance, so you take action exactly when it is needed, not before and never too late. What makes AssetVista different? It breaks down information silos that exist between operation, automation and maintenance personnel. So when an issue occurs, the right information is shared at the right time, so corrective actions can be taken before failure occurs. AssetVista puts your maintenance strategy into action while optimizing all activities: corrective, preventive and predictive.